I'm starting my morning. I got my coffee from Eliano's. I got a pumpkin spice latte. Melody Suzu light has been breaking on me, so they sent me a new one. This is not cordless, like you need the cord, so. And they sent me some gel colors. Really pretty decal stickers. It's cute. It was pretty. It's like a sagey green, more of a cream. Airbrushing. Super cool. What exactly would you call this color? Like a dark green blue? A dark teal? Oh, it's so pretty. So fresh, so clean. Did you have an idea of what color you want to do?
I really liked the one, so this is builder gel left on some of the nails. I really did like this like milky pink color.
Okay.
So I like that.
Is the builder gel the color or was it clear?
I think it was clear, yeah.
Okay, and they just polished the color on top?
Yes.
So I'm soaking my client and I ran to the wax room to take a coffee break and hide. I'm going to Minnesota and I'm supposed to be getting everything ready. My nails are not done. My toes are not done. I don't have any clothes picked out for this trip. So right now I'm soaking my feet and possibly trying to get a polish change, but it looks like mom's just gonna help me clean it up and then I'll just do my own toes myself. Yay, and I'm not showing my toes because they're scary right now. Well, I'm now at the salon suite. I had to leave the other place because I have 5 clients today. Lyft and the Uber were not taking any calls, so I had to walk 30 minutes to the salon suite. So it's hot and I'm warm, so yeah. So come do 5 clients with me. So these were her nails, very summery, very cute. We're using Berry Blue from D&D. A little chrome.
That connection just helps us.
I think we're missing out guitars as well. If we have a mic stand, we're all like this.
To her nails. Da da da. Today we're doing Love is in the Bear. So now I'm about to do Victoria's hands and she gets a fill-in and most of the time she does chrome. So let's see what she does today.
No, really, not this.
A mess.
Oh.
So what we doing?
No clue.
This is what you're wanting. Oh, cute. A little white dot in the middle of it.
Oh, see?
Oh. See? I don't like sob stories. Seems less authentic.
This is your week to really sell it to the room.
Update. My next appointment's at 8:30. She's gonna probably take about an hour long, hopefully. And yeah, I am tired, so yay!
Listen, I just was like, whatever, but
Listen, these Korean